with calculations and several stations. We check and clean like 50 slash elevators, toilets, and elevators at its access station.